Want to unpin a chat on Viber for your iPhone that you no longer need at the top? This video gets straight to the point and shows you exactly how to do it. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. For extra support, you can also join the channel membership. First, to unpin a chat, you will need to open the Viber application on your iPhone and go to your main chat list. You must then locate the specific conversation that is currently pinned to the very top section of your screen. Unlike Android on an iPhone, you will gently swipe from the right side to the left across the pinned chat you wish to unpin. As you perform this swipe gesture, you will immediately see an Unpin button appear on the left side of that chat row. You simply need to tap on that Unpin button to instantly move the chat from the pinned section back into its chronological place. The chat will no longer be fixed at the top, allowing you to reorganize your Viber conversations based on recent activity. And that's how you can unpin a chat on Viber for iPhone, using the simple swipe gesture to manage your pinned conversations. For more short and concise videos, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to leave a like and a comment.